Alexa, raspberry, raspberry.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Welcome to York. Welcome to York. Hi, baby. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? You. Boink. I love you. I love you. Red butt chicken. Red butt chicken. You crazy parrots. William, Harry, come here. Meow. Gigi, come here. Meow. Welcome to welcome to. You ready? Come on. Raspberry, raspberry, raspberry. Hi, girl. Hello. Give a big kiss. Big kiss. I love you. Bird, 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 bird is a word. Bird is a word. Bird is a word. Bird, bird. Alexa, you want me to know? Let's go. What's in you? You chin a poo-poo. Okay, I'll be right back. Will you pee while I'm gone? Will you pee while I'm gone? Will you pee? Alexa. Alexa. Fart. I see you. I see you. You raspberry. Welcome to York. Welcome to York. Come on, your turn. Let's go England. Let's go England. Let's go in. Alexa. What do you do with that? Crazy. Alexa, you help her back to you.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Yummy, yummy. What's that? Broccoli, carrots, pumpkin. Raspberry, raspberry. There you go. Give me a big kiss. Give me a big, 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 big kiss. You eat your lunch? What's that lunch? Broccoli, raspberry, raspberry, raspberry. There is a word. Bird is a word. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. There you go, yeah. It's cool. Do you want to go to school? Rubbish. Oh, behave. Oh, behave. What day is it? I'll go today. I'll go today. Alexa, welcome to York. Welcome.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Raspberry. Uh-oh, hiccup. Uh-oh, hiccup. Happy bird. Okay, ready? Bird is a word. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Bird is a word. Bird is a word. Wow. Hi, baby. Hello. Where are you going? I love you. Alexa, fart.
That was a squeaky one. Try asking me for a relaxed fart.
You want a piece of
Or
bread?
say random. Try asking me for a relaxed fart. Or say random.
Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York.
That was a trumpet one.
I love
Try
you.
asking me for a long and crispy fart.
Happy
Or say random.
Valentine's Day. Raspberries.
Try asking me for a long and crispy fart. Or say random.
Happy Chicken. I love you. Are you ready to get showered? Are you ready? I love you. Happy birthday. Give me a kiss. I love you. Alexa, welcome to your welcome. You want to dance? Okay, it's not a word, it's a word. Bird is a word. Bird, 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 bird is a word. I want to go to help for you. Look at that squirrel. Look at that frog. Look at that squirrel. Welcome to your welcome. Welcome to New York. Let's go. Raspberry. Raspberry. Shake that booty. Shake that booty. Woo! All right, I want you now. Hi, baby girl. I love you. Happy Valentine's Day.